All right, so we are now going to make cookie dough fat bombs. And do not let the word fat discourage you, because these are actually pretty healthy for you, even if you're not following the ketogenic diet. So we have butter, and I guess organic, grass-fed, softened butter. We have stevia or any natural sweetener of your choosing, vanilla extract, sea salt, sugar-free, chocolate chips, and almond flour. So what you're going to do is you're going to mix everything in the bowl except for the chocolate chips, and then you're going to fold the chocolate chips in. So I have my 8 tablespoons of butter in there right now, and we're going to add the stevia, and then I'm going to add the rest. So now I have all the ingredients in here, and I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm going to mix it together before I beat it. Okay, so as you can see, I have my flour, my salt, my vanilla all in there. So now we are going to take the beater and okay, so it is now beaten. As you can see, it's like a thick dough almost. So now we're going to add in the chocolate chips, and definitely add in how many you want. If you like it less chocolate chips, then just do a few. You can also overwhelm it with too much chocolate chips. All right, now I am not going to beat these in. I'm actually just going to fold these in with a spatula or a spoon if you do not have a spatula. And now all the chocolate chips are now folded into the batter, and I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator or freezer to let it harden up so then I can grab it and roll it into little balls.